The stuff you eat can instantly affect your erection. Stay to the end of this video and smile forever to a better sex. Let's go over the cheapest snack idea and how each of these ingredients, banana, saffron, Ceylon cinnamon, and raw honey, can benefit erectile health. Combining them into a nightly snack could promote overall well-being, better circulation, and improved sexual performance. Each of these ingredients is known for its natural health benefits. 1. Bananas rich in potassium. Bananas are high in potassium, which helps regulate blood pressure by relaxing blood vessel walls and improving circulation. Better blood flow to the penile region is essential for stronger, harder erections. Source of vitamin B6. Vitamin B6 aids in the production of red blood cells and proper nerve function, enhancing sexual stamina and performance. Boosts energy. Bananas provide a quick energy boost due to their natural sugar and carbohydrate content, which is beneficial for overall stamina. 2. Saffron aphrodisiac properties. Saffron is often used as a natural aphrodisiac, enhancing libido and sexual desire. Increases blood flow. Studies have shown that saffron improves blood circulation, which is essential for stronger erections. Mood enhancer. It's known to reduce stress and anxiety, which can help reduce performance-related worries. 3. Ceylon cinnamon increases blood flow. Cinnamon helps to improve circulation by dilating blood vessels, aiding in maintaining an erection. Regulates blood sugar. Ceylon cinnamon helps regulate blood sugar levels, preventing energy crashes and maintaining a healthy weight, both of which can affect sexual health. Antioxidant-rich. Cinnamon is full of antioxidants that combat oxidative stress, promoting overall heart health, which is crucial for erectile function. 4. Unfiltered, raw honey boosts nitric oxide. Raw honey increases nitric oxide levels in the blood, a compound necessary for the dilation of blood vessels. This helps improve blood flow to the penis. Natural energy source. The natural sugars in honey provide a sustained energy boost, which can improve stamina during sexual activity. Rich in antioxidants. Like cinnamon, honey is packed with antioxidants, which support cardiovascular health and improve circulation. How to combine these ingredients? But wait, before we proceed, please subscribe to our channel, like and share our videos for more. Nightly snack idea for erectile health. A simple snack that incorporates all of these ingredients could look like this. Sliced banana with a sprinkle of Ceylon cinnamon. Slice 1 banana, and sprinkle about 1/4 teaspoon of Ceylon cinnamon on top. Drizzle with raw honey. Add 1-2 teaspoons of unfiltered, raw honey for natural sweetness and extra health benefits. Saffron-infused milk or water. Add 1-2 strands of saffron to warm milk or water, and drink this alongside your snack. This combination provides a quick, inexpensive, and highly beneficial treat that can support erectile health over time. Each ingredient works together to promote better circulation, energy, and overall sexual health. See you in the next.